Good morning guys! This vlog is one of your most requested video. I need to wake up early in the morning kasi may jogging pa tayo. And kung magtataka kayo kung bakit hindi ko katabi si Matcha today sa higaan, ikukwento ko yan sa next video natin kaya abang-abang lang kayo. So mag-good morning lang ako sa kanya, then ibabalik sa higaan niya and prepare for jogging. And welcome to a day in the life of Matcha, and ako na rin syempre, pero wag kayong mag-alala, si Matcha talaga ang bida sa kwentong ito. Pero sa ngayon, me time muna at magpapawis muna tayo. Kukulitin ko lang muna siya and then picture ng mga items na nabili natin for Shopee haul. And today is walking time ni Matcha, pero I make sure na every time na may walk kami, maliligo rin siya agad later on. May sariling hugasan ng pagkainan si Matcha sa kusina, alam niyo naman. One of the family ang ating baby. Prepare lang ako for her breakfast. Carrots, sayote, quail egg, dog food, kangkong, and potato. And of course, wet food, pandagdag lasa lang sa foods niya. Mga random stuff na madalas ko lang makita sa loob ng ref na pwede at healthy para sa kanya.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
And then, heartworm prevention time. So, para sa kanyang heartworm prevention time, bumibili na lang ako guys sa Shopee. If interested kayo, ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa my description box. And check it out na lang guys. And after an hour, vitamins time naman. Ito na yata ang pinaka-paborito niyang routine sa morning. Vitamins din eh. Favorite! And then, ligo time. Pinapaliguan ko siya ng once a week, minsan twice, depende kapag hindi ako tinatamad. Nasanay na si Matcha na towel dry lang, and dahil nga hindi pa naman mahaba ang mga fur niya, no need pa to blower this time. Ako lang ba yung nakakapansin na tuwing bagong ligo sila, para silang nakalunok ng isang sako ng energy? Sobrang hyper. And sa lunch niya also is squash, sayote, repolyo, dog food, and wet food on top. Lagay ko na lang din guys yung link sa my description box ng mga stuff ni Matcha na madalas niyong makita dito sa video na to. So, check yun na lang din guys, okay? After kumain yan, matutulog yan for sure. And then, snack time naman. Mga dog biscuits lang din na nilagay ko sa container para hindi na hassle buksan. Also, then taste sticks time. Kalahati lang talaga ang binibigay ko sa kanya since nakapag-snack naman na siya. Non-stop harutan and playtime lang hanggang sa matapos ang maghapon. And this is how we spend our day routine. Simple lang naman. Just spend time with them kasi napansin ko sila yung type ng breed na sobrang clingy at gusto nila na lagi silang binibigyan ng oras at pansin. And that's it for this day routine guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo, and if yes, don't forget to like and subscribe. And mag-comment na rin kayo for next content suggestions ninyo. Thank you so much for watching and see you on our next one. Bye!